Good morning, Sharks. It's Miss Smith here today. Just like we always do, I've put a few little calculations up just to get your brains working, and just because we like to make it a little bit more exciting, I'm going to put a 30-second timer on. Remember, all you have to do is write the answer in your books. Ready for the timer? Go. Well done, hopefully got them all done in time. Let's go through the answers. So there was a mixture of both times and addition in this one, so we had to look carefully at the symbol. 2 times 5 equals 10. If you got it right, give yourself a tick. 3 add 11 equals 14. If I was doing this, I'd put the biggest number in my head, 11, put 3 fingers up, tap my head for 11, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm using my counting on skills there to make it a little bit quicker. 4 times 10 equals 40. 12 add 5 equals 17. Again, if I've not got objects, put 12 on my head, 5 fingers up, tap my head for 12, and then count my 5 fingers. And then 3 times 2 equals 6. So hopefully getting really good at those and a little bit quicker. Now today in maths, we are going to measure the lengths of objects using a ruler. Okay, so today you will be completing some work in your maths book, but also I've got a little challenge at the end for you to do extra. So you might like to pause the video now and write the date and the learning objective, and remember to use your ruler to underline it so it's nice and neat. So let's have a look at some of the vocabulary that we'll be using in today's lesson. So some things we might describe as being short, tall, equal, so something might be equal length, the same. Something might be described as being longer. Might say an object is the longest object out of a few, or the shortest. Today we're learning to measure. We might talk about something being the tallest. Might describe something as being shorter, or we would measure the distance of something by measuring the length. Now when we first start to learn how to measure things, we don't use a ruler and we might use different objects. So for example, if we use paper clips to measure the length of these objects, the stapler is 1, 2, 3, 4 paper clips long. Let's have a look at the pencil case. The pencil case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paper clips long. So let's look at the bottom sentence. The stapler is something than the pencil case. The stapler is shorter than the pencil case. Okay, it's 4 paper clips, whereas the pencil case is 6. Let's look at the next example. As well, we could use Unifix cubes to help us to measure. So if we look at the pencil case using the cubes, let's count them. The pencil is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes long. Let's have a look how long the book is. Let's count the cubes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cubes long. So therefore the book is longer than the pencil case. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. What I want you to do now is pause the video and have a little go at counting the blocks just like we have, and count the first one, the first bottle, and then count the tin, and then see if you can fill in the blank at the bottom. So pause the video now, and then when you're ready, unpause it and we'll go through it together. Right then, the drink bottle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks tall or long, and the pencil tin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks long. Therefore, the drinks bottle is taller than the pencil tin. So can you see all these different vocabulary words that we can use to describe length and height? Right, let's have a look at this one. This time they've used like little pop sticks to measure the length of things. So let's count how long the desk is. The desk is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pop sticks long. Let's measure the whiteboard. The whiteboard is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pop sticks long. Therefore, if we're wanting to compare them, we can say that the desk is shorter than the whiteboard. Well done, let's go on to the next. We're back to measuring with paper clips this time. So the ruler is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paper clips long, whereas the tablet, or I like to call it the iPad, the tablet is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper clips long. So therefore, the ruler is longer than the tablet. Right, next one. Pause the video here, see if you can have a little go yourself. When you're ready, unpause the video and we'll go through it together. The lollipop is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks long. Whereas the mug is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks long. Oh, they're both the same. Let's think of a good mathematical vocabulary word that we can use when they're both the same. The lollipop and the mug are equal heights. They're both the same. They're both 10. Well, let's compare these objects. The toy car is 1, 2, 3, 4 paper clips long, whereas the pencil is 1, 2, 3. That's 4 paper clips long. I bet you know what we're going to say for this bit. The toy car and the pencil are equal length. They are both the same. Oh, this time I've got 3 objects. The glue stick is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks tall, whereas the mug is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. The jar is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. Pause the video here and see if you can fill in those blanks for me. When you're ready, click on pause. So this time we're comparing 3 objects. So the mug is the shortest object. It's got the smallest number. Whereas the jar is the tallest. It's the longest, it's the tallest because it's 8 blocks long. Right then, so now we should be at the stage where we're ready to practice measuring objects using a ruler. And hopefully you have got a ruler at home from school for your remote learning. So if we look here, we've got a pencil and I've got the ruler underneath. And when we're measuring using a ruler, we measure in centimetres. Now, as you can see, the end of the ruler matches right up to the tip of the pencil, the bit where we start to write with the pencil. And we have to make sure it's nice and straight. And then if we look at the red part of the pencil and we go down, we can say that this pencil is 9 centimetres long. Let's have a go at this one. Right, I want you to pause the video, have a little go, look at the ruler underneath. How long in centimetres do you think that book is? Pause the video and have a go. The book is 4 centimetres long. So can you see we put the book right up to the start of the ruler and then we've gone slowly across and it matches up to the 4. So it is 4 centimetres long. Right, another example, I think this one is the last one. When using a ruler, we make sure the beginning of the object is right up to the start of the ruler. And then we go across. This pencil case is how long? That's right, 5 centimetres long. Well done. And if we was writing that in our book, we would write it as a 5 and then a C and an M. Okay? So your challenge for me today. First, I want you to have a go at completing the questions on page 43 of your maths book. Then I've got another little bit of an extra challenge for you. I then want you to get your ruler and I want you to go on a little bit of a length hunt around your house. I want you to find lots of different objects and have a go at measuring how long they are using your ruler. Another really good idea is you might want to pretend that you're working in a shoe shop and you might get lots of different people's shoes from your house. So it might be yours, your mum's, your dad's. Draw around the bottom of your shoe onto a piece of paper and have a go at measuring how long everybody's shoes are. And maybe you could say who's got the longest feet or the shortest feet. Okay, so you can either record it or you could just send us a picture of you doing your length hunt around the house. Hope you have fun doing it, the sharks. See you soon. Bye-bye.